Muslim League is always supporting Congress, and we are alliance for the past 53 years. India is being destroyed. The dignity of India is destroying. Only India alliance is the hopeful alliance.
So your support for the Congress candidate as a state president, how do you feel? What is the message that you're trying to give?
Muslim League is always supporting Congress, and we are alliance for the past 53 years. Now we want to retain India. India is not becoming an India. India is being destroyed. The dignity of India is destroying. India means secular India. The idea of India is to protect the secular factor of India, but it is being destroyed. The communal factor is coming. Even the Prime Minister yesterday had spoken very venomously, mentioning some religious people. So this is the fight against the fascism and the communalism. Here we are openly fighting against the BJP forces, the fascist forces, to protect India from the fascist forces. So only India alliance is the hopeful alliance, to retain India, and also Rahul Gandhi is leading the Indian alliance. So
how do you define the relationship between Congress? Is Congress an inevitable part of Muslim League, or is Muslim League an inevitable ally of the Congress?
it is mutual, it is inevitable to both. So Muslim League is zero. Muslim League always with the Congress. Only with the alliance we can participate in the electoral process.
There's always been the left leaders trying to create a create a rift between the Muslim League and the Congress. Even the latest incident where the Chief Minister pointed out that the flag was not being allowed to use in Wayanad. When such controversies come, how do you see it? How do you respond to such things?
Our support and our partnership, we need not show anything, because it is understood by the workers that Muslim League and Congress is a partnership for the past 5 decades. So, for winning the elections, we have some understandings. So we need not to show our identity. So it is all understood, and the other opposition parties are trying to make this as a controversy, because showing the flag issues, it will not affect flag.
Does it affect the morale of the people, of workers of the Muslim League? Because there were that kind of a narrative. Is it true?
No, never. It will never misunderstand. It will never make our people disappointed. We will win with a big majority.
Yet the left is trying to woo you, to bring the Muslim League to their side.
That's obviously political. It is political. It is nothing real.
Are they trying to create a rift within the Muslim League also?
Yeah, they will always try to make rift. That is their political strategy, obviously.
What people outside of Kerala don't understand it, when all these happens, when it comes to a grand alliance, the CPM is also there in the grand alliance opposing the BJP. How does this work?
Yeah, because in Kerala, it is all, everybody knows that the Congress is always, left is always against Congress, Congress always is left. But here, past many years, Congress becomes coming to power, or CPM also becomes coming to the power. But, to fight against fascist force, you know, the Muslim League and Congress is always trying to, you know, sometimes CPM also becoming communal. So we always fight against the communal forces and the fascist forces.
How do you find our man, Muralidharan ji? I'm just asking him, how does he find you? You know, so you can just turn this side. What do you think about him?
Yeah, he's a fighter. He's a hero. He came to take Trishur. Only he can take Trishur. Nobody else can take Trishur.
Even Pratapan is a very, very energetic candidate, and he is also given his space to Muralidharan.
He could take, but the Congress party had decided Muralidharan to contest.
But yet he is there like a lieutenant to the
Party spirit. But that is the party spirit.